Hello and welcome to lesson 6 of the First Steps Theory Frenzy tutor book. In this lesson there are only 2 teaching aims. The first teaching aim is to learn about tones and semitones, and the second teaching aim is to learn about the flat sign. So when a sharp sign is placed before a note, it means that you play the key immediately to its right. This key may be either black or white. By doing this, you have played a semitone. And so here you can see there's an example of a semitone where you're going from the F sharp to the G. You can see there's no note in between. Now the opposite of semitone is a tone. Now with a tone, you always have one note in between. And that's how you see the difference between a tone and a semitone. So your first writing task here is to identify whether these notes are tones or semitones. Now my advice to you would be to write the names of the notes underneath first. And then from that you can then work out if there is a note in between. You can use a keyboard maybe to do that. Do remember that when you do your theory exam you will be given a piece of paper which has a keyboard at the bottom, so you will be able to have that to try and work out tones and semitones in the exam. Then we move on to the opposite of the sharp sign, which is the flat sign. So the flat sign makes a note a semitone lower. A sharp sign makes a note a semitone higher. So the flat that you've actually got written as an example is your B flat, and you can see it's clearly centred on the middle line, and then you're asked to have a practice of writing those flat notes. Now onto the next page here, you've got a series of notes and you're asked to identify what those notes are. The first one has been done for you, and that's a G flat. Then it says, now write the treble clef and then write the following flat notes on the stave below. And they're asking you to write a D flat, an E flat, an A flat and a B flat. And that completes lesson 6.